Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for Sagittarius singles for the rest of the month of July 2026. Keep in mind, this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Sagittarius, your current energies regarding your love and relationship area. Let's see. We have the Emperor, the Three of Wands, the Two of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Swords here. So from inside, you're having this restlessness, this energy of, oh my God, I want to have somebody by my side just like that. I can't wait for this thing to happen. I can't wait for the universe to do some kind of miracle for me so that I'm going to fall in the lap of the right person, right? From deep inside. And when it comes to the conscious level energy, you guys are trying your best to not to get hurt, not to get involved. You are trying to take the charge of your life in your own hands, sitting in your power, trying to make your life very stable, very chaotic free, drama free, chaos free, drama free. And then you're looking forward to have somebody by your side with the exact kind of feelings and personality and thoughts, so that this is going to be a match. This time you just are looking forward to have the empress to the emperor. Doesn't matter what your gender is. Right now you are sitting in your power, doing all the right things that you should be doing in order to attract the right kind of person, and you're looking forward to have your soulmate by your side in the coming future. But from time to time you're getting restless with the idea of, when I'm doing everything right from my side, when I am enjoying my life to the fullest, and I'm in a stable energy, why am I not able to still attract the kind of person, kind of energy that I deserve, that I want as a person, as a soul? What is wrong? Yeah, that restlessness is happening from time to time. Otherwise you are good to go. You are ready to manifest. You are ready to receive the gift of love in your life. Awesome. Let's see what are your energies for a new person, new connection, new bond, Sagittarius. I have the Ace of Swords and the Knight of Wands and the Eight of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Okay, you guys are going to, there are very high chances of you guys connecting with somebody, and you guys are going to feel that, okay, let me start from here. There are very good chances that you are going to connect with somebody. There is going to be a lot of mental clarity, mental match. Okay, your thoughts, their way of life, your way of life, your way of thinking, their way of thinking. This is going to be a freaking match. And then one of you is going to decide to keep things just friendly, just casual, or just for fun, or maybe, just keeping their options open, and that is going to trigger the other person to walk away from the situation. Okay, I do see you connecting with somebody, talking to them for some time, getting butterflies in the stomach for some time, and then one of you either is going to realize that this person is not a match for long term, or one of you is going to specify to the other person that you guys want just friendship kind of a deal only, or maybe friends with benefits kind of a thing only, and that is going to make the other person walk away, start walking away from the situation. And bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. That is going to create the disappointment, and it's going to make you feel like that, okay, even after doing everything right, why am I not able to attract the right kind of person? Why am I not able to attract the specific kind of person, or maybe a specific person in some cases? What is wrong? Nothing is wrong here. The attachment to the outcome on that level, the way you are having it right now, is wrong here. That is stopping you guys from getting the kind of results that you're hoping for. Okay, let's see the message here for you guys. I have the finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. It's not for every one of you, but check out for your financial health also. Maybe that also requires your focus right now, your energies right now. And maybe the other person that they're going to connect with right now, they're going through some kind of financial or career issues. If that's the case, let them resolve those issues first before you guys are going to jump into any kind of connection, because maybe that factor is also going to, create some kind of issues down the line if that factor is not going to be taken care of right now. Okay, let's see what are your energies for a past person, past situation, past connection, honey. Sagittarius for this month. It can be anybody from your past or it can be an ex also. Let me see. I'll try to figure that out. Let's see. I have the Knight of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. First of all, it's not only one past person that you're energetically attached to. There are more than one people that you're attached to. In fact, three maybe. Not if not three, at least two people you are attached to energetically, but mostly you are attached to three people, and that's heavy and burdensome. You guys are feeling stuck when it comes to a past person, past situation. Everything is crystal clear in your head regarding these past situations, and then there is one particular situation from your past that you might be still like have feelings for, or you care for them, or you have soft corner for them, but none of these energies are good for you, so you are dropping them. You are dropping the idea of connecting or reconnecting with them. Okay, two out of three are completely gone. One person that you might still be connected to. So two out of three are gone. One person that you might be already connected to, like emotionally connected to, that person also you are dropping the situation because you feel like there is no future to that. Okay, let's see the message for this past person, past situation, Sagittarius. From the Oracle. I have you deserve love. You are lovable. If you have any doubt that you are not lovable and you're not getting love because you have some problems or you can't have that kind of love in your life, don't do that. Don't create more blockages in your life. Just the attachment to the outcome is the main blockage here for you guys in your love and relationship area. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys for the situation. For you guys for this month, for this situation. Let's see. I have the Three of Cups and the Death and Rebirth and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. Right. First of all, understanding that just because you are ready right now, just because you are doing everything right now, it's going to give the universe signal you should get the love of your life right now at this present moment at your door. Divine timing is at play. Whenever it is supposed to happen, then only it is going to happen. Till that time, keep on doing the self-love, self-care, self-healing kind of thing, and keep on continuing your journey without having too much attachment to the outcome or certain kind of outcome. Okay, enjoy your life to the fullest, keep yourself socially active, and refrain from this energy of falling too quickly for everybody that you're going to connect with in the coming future. Take your time, take things really very, very, very slow. Understand the person, make them understand your side of the story, your side of the energies, and then take things slowly but surely. Good things are going to take time, Sagittarius, to become something really meaningful, to become something really uh, long term, right? Keeping yourself socially active and getting out of your comfort zone and connecting with people with an open heart, with an open energy, is going to give you a lot of options, is going to give you a lot of good people, maybe good friends. It's not about always romantic love. I can understand that you're looking for that only right now, but it is going to take time and it's going to happen at the divine timing. The more you are going to rush towards it, the more you are going to be desperate towards it, the more it's going to be difficult for you to attract the right kind of energy. Okay, that's the deal. Let me see the final message for you guys, Sagittarius, for this month, for the situation of your life. So we have let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. Okay, you can connect with your like with your friends. You can ask for mutual friends. You can ask for get-togethers. You can ask for going out with you. So take help from others who can help you in this regard. Okay, let other people help you to find you your love partner. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.